Do you know that sand is used to make glass? Yes, sand is used to make glass. And glass is used in windows. People can look and see through windows. So, is it true that sand is invading our privacy? Can we blame it because it's used to make glass? Obviously, no. That's the same logic used in is technology invading our privacy statement. Technology is a tool and it invades nothing. My name is Mohammed Awais and currently I'm pursuing my bachelor's in computer science from FAS National University. And today in this presentation I'm going to talk about is technology invading our privacy. So what is privacy? Privacy is a fundamental right essential to the protection of human dignity, serving as the foundation upon which many other human rights are built. So why we need technology? Technology affects the way individuals communicate, learn, and think. It helps society and determines how people interact with each other on a daily basis. Technology plays an important role in society today. We are very lazy creatures, and technology is redefining every moment of our lives and has made our lives easier. Are tech companies misusing our data? Many people claim that giant tech companies like Google misuse our data, but no, that's not how Google works. Aside from the fact that Google cares deeply about its users and it would be wrong thing to do, it also doesn't make any business sense. User trust is essential to the kind of business that Google runs. For that reason, Google is extremely transparent with users about the data that users have associated with their accounts, is very clear about their current ad preferences, and is very clear about how it makes money and its business practices, including that it never sells personal data to anyone. It uses data to build individual profiles with interest, then lets advertisers target groups of people based on those traits. For example, if you Google some random product and from then on you will see ads for that product. It happens almost all the time. And that's the effect it has on web usage. It just drives you towards something that you necessarily need. It uses our data for different reasons, like Google Maps shows traffic based on the countless mobile phones location data. Google uses analytics to drive its ad platform. In general sense, it's your usage data. Google Maps asks for reviews for places you have visited and many more. Technology is just a tool. Technology has no agency. The people that create, control, and use certain technologies that are capable of tracking, logging, monitoring, these people will be and are responsible for our dwindling privacy. These people include employees of the state and regular users like you and me. How can I secure my data completely? We give our data on a regular basis through whenever we go online or use most modern technology. However, we always have the option of turning it off. If you would like to live more privately, you still have that option. There are certain sacrifices you make if you choose it, and others if you don't. Conclusion. In the end, the answer to your question is really a matter of perspective. It is our decision to use technology to make our life easier. But part of the utility of our technology is that it needs to know where we are, what we look at online, who we call, and what we buy. So at that point, it is both useful and invasive in our personal lives. You may be seen today when you travel by cameras, but that is really not fundamentally different than being seen by people you pass by in the non technology world. Even today, there are more images of people going about their business than people to review those images. So, we as users and beneficiaries of technology have to decide what the trade off is between what we benefit from and what impacts our perception of privacy. Thank you.